app closing automatically after opening in iPhone fix. Now, if you're opening a certain app, it's closing automatically or crashing by itself for some weird reason on your iPhone. This could be due to many reasons. First of all, you can simply try to make sure that it isn't a third-party app or a sketchy app that you downloaded from elsewhere, and make sure that any app you install on your iPhone is something that you downloaded from your app store, because it could sometimes be a malware attack. The second is, it could potentially be a storage issue. Go to settings, go to general, and make sure to go to iPhone storage and make sure you have at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free storage left on your device, because if you're running out of storage, that could be the reason that particular application is not being able to function properly. Now, if you have enough storage left, you're still having the issue with the app, select the app that you're having with issue right from this page, offload the app and tap on offload. Once done, you'll find the reinstall button there, and that should also help you solve your problem. You can also try to go ahead and then update your software to the latest version. So go to software update, check if you have got any sort of updates available. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Then you can also simply try giving your device a simple restart in this case, and once you basically give it a restart, then that should also help you solve the problem. You can force close the application and relaunch it as well. I hope that this video helped you solve any of these issues you might be having. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.